Here's a skills exercise you can use to kind of lighten the air in your program. This is called the level tower, and students used to approach it almost like a game or a competition. It can be done very early on in your program or be used as an icebreaker for a group at the beginning of a session. It will test students' ability to read a level, specifically a torpedo level, and build a tower, not using any tools, just stacking parts. All of the parts are 12 by 12 OSB panels. You have some dowels of different dimensions. You have 1 by 2 by 12 inch sticks, and you have some carpenter shims. All of these are stacked in layers. They start with a base, and they have to level the base, and then they add layers on top of combinations of mismatched dowels, 1 by 2 sticks, and then your shims, and then another OSB panel. The better the students do at leveling each layer, the taller the tower can get. And obviously the group or team that wins would be the tower that is the tallest before it collapses. All of these towers will collapse at some point. They're obviously on these dowels, they're rolling, so any imperfection or out of level will make them unstable, and the more weight that they have and the taller they get, the more unstable they are. The trick is, what is the tallest tower and how did the students achieve it? Usually this happens by careful leveling and placing of the parts and being methodical about it. So there is an easier version of this, and that would be to start rotating the dowel and the stick positions back and forth. It seems to be they're much more stable if you create an alternating pattern of orientation of dowels between the layers. If they're all in the same direction, they tend to be much more sketchy, and the higher you get. But think of this as an opportunity for students to practice with their levels. They can never have enough practice with their levels. They can compete with each other, and they can work together as teams and kind of do some of that team building by doing this almost a Jenga style game. I hope that makes sense. Check out this resource and all of the other ones we have in our catalogs to build construction skills. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.